Hello, my wonderful people all over the world. Welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money, how to do it yourself without even visiting anybody for help. Welcome, 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 welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on your time zone. Welcome to Online Money Hunter, where we hunt for the bag. The only thing we care for is how to make that money. Okay? So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are chatting us or where you are watching us from. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Okay, this message or rather this video is dedicated to Paul. Okay, this is not part of my work here, but no knowledge is a waste, so I decided to post it here so that other people can learn and also follow up on what you are doing. What I do here is that I show you hand to hand how to make money online, legit way on how to make money. So that's what I do here. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload video like this, you will be the first person to watch the video. Okay, let's go to the video. The message he sent on my WhatsApp. Okay, he said, "Hello, sir. I'm Paul. Your okay, your subscriber on YouTube. Please, I just want to ask whether you can help me or have any idea. I mistakenly deleted a file on my phone and the file worth a lot. Is there any way I can recover it back, please?" Okay, this is not in my field of work, okay, but I will try and help you because we are all human beings and we can do mistake. Okay, Paul, in order to answer your question, what we need to do is just to let's go to Google Play Store. Okay, once you are in Play Store, we look for deleted video recovering app. Okay, once you are here, okay, can you see after the first, second, third, fourth? Okay, the fifth, we are going to select the fifth. Okay, just select the fifth one, download it. Okay, downloading. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel because I will be sharing you all those things. Because although I know that a lot of people might be working and maybe mistakenly they lost some video, they lost some files, they lost some audio, music. Okay, this is the only way to recover it, the easiest way to recover it. That's what I'm about to show you now. The easiest way to recover the videos, the audios, or the files. Okay, this is the only way you can do it. Okay, so after that, all you need to do is just to open it. Open. Okay, get started. Allow. Okay, get started again. Okay, this is what you will see there: recovering backup and junk cleaner share files. Okay, we are looking for recovering. Okay, close. Okay, yeah, I'll ask you whether you want to recover deleted videos. If you want to recover deleted videos, you click there. Deleted image, you click there. Audio, okay. Documents, okay. Anyone you want to search on. Okay, let me search for document. Okay, it will be can you see it? It will be scanning like this. Okay, let's just wait until it stop scanning. Okay, let's just go for short break. Okay, all right, we are here. Okay, that's 88 video found, 21,907 photos found. Okay, 43 audios found, Okay, 9 documents found. Okay, Paul, can you see it? Okay, this is how to, recover your files. Okay, so all you need to do is just to go to the files, the documents. Okay, close. All right, all you need to do is just to click on it. You can see where they say recover. Okay, just go and recover it. Boom, very simple, and it will disappear here. Okay, it will disappear here. So this is for Paul. Okay, Paul, if you are watching, just know that I have solved your problem. Okay, all you need to do is just to keep commenting, keep subscribing. Okay, keep referring your friends to this wonderful channel, so that whatever we do here, they will be a part of it. They will also enjoy it. Okay, so if you want to you know do the same thing with video, okay, you can still do the same thing with video. You just click on the video. Okay, you just click on the video, close. Okay, once you click on the video, once you restore it, the video will disappear here. Okay, boom, can you see the magic? The video have already been restored. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. Okay, a lot of people have lost their videos for years. Okay, so this is the only thing you need to do. Restore, 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 restore. Okay, restore, 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 restore. Very easy to use. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. The video is very simple and easy to understand, so just do as I say here. You will have the same results. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Peace.